types: heavy snow and strong winds. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 20 to 36 inches. Winds, north 20 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Temperatures, mid-20s. Visibilities, near zero and whiteout conditions at times. Timing: the strongest winds and heaviest snow will occur into Saturday morning. Impacts: heavy snow and winds will make for dangerous driving conditions with visibilities near zero and whiteout conditions. A few cloud-to-ground lightning strikes are possible through late tonight. In addition, some trees and power lines will be downed, causing power outages. For the following areas: in New York, northwest Suffolk, southwest Suffolk, northern Nassau, southern Nassau, northeast Suffolk and southeast Suffolk. Blizzard warning remains in effect until 1 p.m. Saturday.